Today we'd like to talk about what to expect when booking a service or maintenance appointment here at Porsche of Halifax.
So when our customers come here to Porsche Halifax, they drive them through our drive-thru, which we have a complimentary alignment checker, check the alignment of the vehicle when it comes in. From there, our service advisor meets the client with an iPad to go over the work they are to complete that day.
Our Porsche destination facility was designed entirely around customer experience. Because of this open design, our customers walk through the door and are greeted immediately, either by the service advisor they've come to see or our Porsche host. While your Porsche is being serviced, you can wait in our beautiful customer lounge upstairs, or if scheduled ahead of time, you can take advantage of our Porsche service loaners to keep you going throughout your busy day.
Before the vehicle enters the shop, the service technician puts in interior protection on the vehicle just to ensure cleanliness. Throughout the day, we do a service video which keeps the customer informed. That has a service quote on it, any labor, parts, anything else that may be needed for the vehicle.
I've been an automotive service technician for about 40 years now, half of that being with Porsche of Halifax. Working in a state-of-the-art Porsche facility allows us to do our job the right way, using the proper tools, diagnostics, and processes designed specifically for these vehicles.
Once the Porsche is complete through service, it goes to our detail bay and gets a complimentary service wash to ensure that it leaves cleaner than how it arrived. The main focus is to make sure that our customers are comfortable, informed, and completely confident with their Porsche while they're in our hands. We are proud to offer a service experience that reflects the same precision and quality as the vehicles we sell.